Hi, today I'm going to show you a super cute updo on my 9-year-old Caroline. Now Caroline has really healthy hair that she takes care of, and I'm going to use some Monat Junior detangler and a wet brush just to get out any tangles that are left in her hair. Then I'm going to section her hair right down the middle and secure it with a ponytail at the nape of her neck. And we are going to just create a messy bun. But if it's not perfect, don't stress out. We're gonna come back in and fix that later. Then we're gonna repeat the steps on the left and right side of their head, just creating a messy bun right at the nape. And I like to leave out a little bit of hair around their face just to soften the look. Once you get those messy buns in place, you're gonna be like, this looks like crap. But don't worry, we're gonna go in with our bobby pins and fix that. So I'm first gonna just fluff her buns up, and then those straight pieces I'm gonna hook with a bobby pin and stick them right underneath. And I'm gonna repeat that through all the bobby pins. And to kind of give those buns more of a uniform one bun look versus 3, I like to gather hair from each bun in one bobby pin and secure it to the base of their neck. And then for some texture and volume, I go through and I pinch and pull hair with my index and thumb just to give it a little bit of texture and a more lived-in look. I like to finish the look with Refinish Control hairspray to give it some soft hold and to help hold those bangs that are growing out of her face. And there you have it. Doesn't she look so cute? This is a super easy style to wear to school, to church, to special occasions, whatever. What do you guys think? She loved it.